We drank water and shared it like a meal, but in our hearts we believed tomorrow would be better. Father said, don't worry my child, God changes the story of the broken and humble. We were down with nobody caring for us, but the Lord never abandoned us. Where tears fell in the night, joy and blessings will rise again. Yeah.
Yeah, don't cry my child.
No night lasts forever till morning comes. Even if we shed only water today, tomorrow we will share God's blessings.
Yeah, don't lose hope.
God hears the cries of the poor.
When His perfect time arrives,
He changes our lives forever.